What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to the workbench, and today I'm going to show you how you can get a variety of Klein tools 100% free. Four-piece set of Klein screwdrivers. Very nice set. Klein makes a hell of a screwdriver, but very expensive for a screwdriver. I'm talking about like this four-piece set I think is 35 to 40 bucks for a four-piece set.
No, man. Shit, no, man.
Are you kidding me? We're not paying that shit. So I'm going to show you how you can get a set for free. And not just these screwdrivers. There's a variety of tools they offer that you can earn points towards getting without even buying any other tools. Let's just get into it. Alright guys, to start out, you're going to need to go to kleintools.com, obviously. And in that upper left hand corner, you see them three dashes. You're going to click that and go to Tradesman Club. Now, if you're not already a member, you are going to have to join or sign up. And it just asks you the normal things. I'm not going to go through it because it's like any other sign up. Name, address, email, that kind of stuff. Well, let's assume you have an account. You're going to go ahead and need to sign in. And no, you cannot see my sign in or my password. Stop trying to look. Look away. And by the way, once you do sign up, don't worry about getting a crap load of spam emails. They only send about 1 to 2 emails a month. It's really not that bad. But once you are logged in, you'll come to this page and you just skip that and you'll see the Tradesman Club, and it has active offers, new products, all kinds of cool stuff to look around in here. But what we're going to look for is loyalty reward activities. And this is where you come to earn points by doing certain online activities. Nothing big, like you can spin the wheel of Klein after you watch a video, like a 2-minute video, and answer some questions. We'll show you that. And we'll also go through looking at new products, which just by looking at them, you earn points towards free tools. But I always start out with the test your knowledge, which we're going to get into here. Now with this activity, what you do is you scroll down and you'll have a little video. It's like a 2-minute video usually, give or take. And after you watch the video, it's going to ask you some questions. It's a different subject to one of their tools every month, but to save time, we're going to skip past it.
A few moments later.
As you can see, this video is just all about different ratcheting tools that Klein offers. They're pretty interesting. Sometimes you find something handy, but when the video ends, this little test will come up. And you'll go through and answer all the questions. Now, if you don't know the answer to a question, it's better to go back and watch the video again. Because if you get all of the questions correct, you get a free spin on the Wheel of Klein. If you miss even just one, then you'll only get 1 point for every question you answered correctly. So it's really beneficial to get that free spin because that's where you can earn a lot of points really quickly. And as you can see, I answered them all correctly. So since I did answer them all correctly, I got 3 points for each question and then 1 free spin. So let's go look at the Wheel of Klein and show y'all what that's all about. So go back to active offers, which gets you to the loyalty reward activities. And there we go, the Wheel of Klein. Now, I joke, but this is really how you can earn points quickly. As you can see, you earn extra points. There's tools you can win, free spins. Now, usually like 2 or 3 times a year, you'll hit big. Most of the time, you'll get this, 10 loyalty rewards. That's 10 extra points to add to your total. And when you're coming back every month, you'll be surprised how quickly these will add up. Now, there's one more activity I do every month, so let's go back to the loyalty reward page. And we'll be looking for the new products category all the way at the bottom. Now on this one, all you have to do, we'll go ahead and we'll click into the new products. And it's going to show you a lot of the new products that Klein has come out with. So you can check them out if you want to, but I always just click more detail. It opens up another page, close out of that page, go back, and boom, there's 1 point. Now you can do this up to 10 times. After that, you're not going to earn any more points. So this is another activity that just give you 10 extra points. And like I said, you can actually take the time to read about them, to look at them if you're interested in the product. But if you're just here to earn points, open up the page, close it out, move on to the next one. And once you hit your maximum number of points, which is 10, it's going to give you this message, hey, you've reached your monthly limit for loyalty rewards in the new product category. So let's go ahead and scroll back up and let's see what we can win with these points that we've been earning. And now instead of going back to active offers, we're going to be looking for My Loyalty Rewards, which is right there. You click it and it'll open up another page, and this just kind of tells you about it. You used to also be able to earn points by buying Klein products and coming back here. I never did that, so I'm not sure exactly the process, but they're just saying that they're not doing that anymore. So the only way you can earn these points is through the different activities in the active offer page. But as you can see, I have 204 available points, and that's just been in the last 6 months or so because I just cashed in my points a while back to get that 4-piece screwdriver set I got for free. So these are some of the rewards you could win this month. You got a cable tester, a jab saw, different point levels of course, and the better the product, the more points you have to earn. The 4-piece screwdriver set, which I won, but these are always changing. They even have a full set for like 1,400 points. So you just save up your points until you find something that you actually want to cash them in on. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little rundown. It's an easy way. If you got a few extra minutes in your day every month, go over to that website, check out the Tradesman Club, do all the activities I showed you. You would be surprised how quickly you will build up your points. I think it took me about 6 to 8 months to earn enough points for these, and the prizes they're giving or offering are constantly changing. So if you don't see something you want, just hoard them points away until something comes up that you do want. I've even seen them offer full kits. You know, it's going to take you many years to do it, but it's costing you nothing but 10 minutes a month, maybe at the most. So if you're cheap ass like me and you want some free quality tools, no purchase necessary, sign up for the Tradesman Club, spend a little bit of your time there each month, and then hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace!